Hey brewers. So, if this is your first time tuning in, I just kind of wanted to give you some background of what I'm doing here. So, I've been brewing for more than 12 years with over 300 brews under my belt, and I've spent thousands of hours over the last decade tirelessly researching brewing knowledge and advancements. I've made plenty of mistakes. I plan to help you avoid those same errors. At Iconoclast, I take brewing very seriously and I treat it as a true craft. Which is a blend of science and a blend of art all together, right? Making beer is how I express myself, and I care very deeply about the rifts beer can repair between people. So we all need something to appreciate and get a breather from life sometimes. And I believe beer provides that common thread for people who would normally never think of speaking to one another, especially in a divisive time like today. On my channel, you can expect to gain both basic and advanced knowledge, techniques, recipes, but also the occasional product review or an interview with brewing celebrities. My goal is to provide that knowledge for all brewers to reach their full potential and in turn give back to the brewing scene since it has already given so much to me. I love answering questions, I love sharing, I love hearing from fellow beer lovers and brewers, but most of all, I love beer. So don't hesitate to leave a comment and make sure to subscribe because we're on a journey together and I want you to come along. See you in the next one and never stop learning.